Students, welcome to DAV Moil Public School, Sita Savangi. I am your English teacher, Gajanan sir, and today we are going to cover up the third and final part of the story from English reader Tinsel Walt. In our earlier class, we have discussed about how the film industry, Hollywood and Bollywood started, and how different type of motion movies and then moving pictures, then audio, video developed in movies. So now in the present, in today's topic, we will discuss about what are the circumstances and what are the situations that Satyajit Ray faced when he was making his first movie. In this story, Mr. Ray shares some of the experiences of shooting Pathar Panchali, his first film that established him as a film personality of international reputation. So what happened, student, when Satyajit Ray was thinking to make a film, he got different type of problems because that time it was not easy to shoot on correct places as well as to get the correct means appropriate character, the suitable character for their story. So they was searching a good boy who can play the role of Appu. The center means there are three characters in the story. So so they were searching about Appu and they started shooting when the shot was taken just like two trains were moving. So what happened? They used to go from very far away because the picturesque and beautiful places were also important. And that time it was not easy to collect the money and to do shooting. Actually, you can imagine that before hundred of years before near about 1920 or 1910 it was not easy to shoot the film or to start the movies because infrastructure as well as cameraman, the suitable characters, these are also important things. So Satyajit Ray was in search of a suitable boy to play the role of Appu in Panchali, in Pathar Panchali. So what happened? After means so many boys came there for attending that whether they will get a chance or not. But Satyajit Ray could not get any good and suitable character to play the role of a Appu. So what happened? In Pathar Panchali, the novel, there is mention of Appu Durga's fate dog Bhulo. Actually, there is another character who is a dog. So what happened? It took near about 2 years for them, 2 years for them to shoot that movie. The film Pathar Panchali, the Song of the Road, was shot over 2.5 years, although naturally we did not shoot every single day during that period. So it was not possible for them to shoot every day because of lack of money, lack of infrastructure, and lack of other things. So Satyajit Ray was working in an advertising agency. He could shoot only on holidays or taking time off from his work, and he did not have a lot of money. When he ran out of what little he had, there was nothing he could do but wait until more money could be raised. So that time money was not easy, means he was not that much rich. So he used to shoot the shooting on only holidays. So what happened? They started to shoot, and they ultimately they got a neighborhood boy to play the role of Appu, and another character is Durga. So they took a shot, and they just these two children are moving on a railway platform. So what happened when they were taking shooting? That time there is another character who was the pet of this Appu and Durga. His name was Bhulo. So while taking shooting after means because the shooting was continuously going on for 2.5 years. So during that time, in the first shot when they took capture the video of this Bhulo, after few months he died. So they were in search of a good dog who can play the role of a Bhulo. But ultimately they got exactly the same dog like a Bhulo. And in this way they completed the shooting. They got the new dog, it was just like as a Bhulo. The second dog looked remarkably like Bhulo. Not only did it have an identical brown coat, but the tip of its tail was also white, like the other one. In the end, it was like fake Bhulo that was shown following Sarbajia out and eating all the rice from the rubbish heap. No one watching the film could ever make out that the two dogs were different. Actually, when they shoot the first shot before 6 months, there was another dog who died due to illness or due to some other reason. So they were in search of another dog. So they got another dog same like Bhulo. But the film watchers, means those who have seen the movie, they could not understand whether this dog is different. They consider the second dog same like as a Bhulo. So dear students, in this way, this Satyajit Ray got a different type of problems and obstacles for making a movie, but he accepted the challenges, and even though that time it was a lack of money for them, then also he tried his level best, and in this way he produced his first film. Okay, student. So this is the story about Pather Panchali, and I hope you have understood it. Try to read it properly 2 times and try to solve out all the questions given in the text. Thank you. Have a happy day.